Well guys, we are on to another topic, and this topic is going to be on shipping cost. As I mentioned to you earlier guys, and let me show you. As you can see guys, you have to consider your shipping cost also before getting your products to Amazon. And guys, this shipping cost is DDP term guys. The one that I'm showing you is DDP term. If you tend to choose EXW, as I mentioned you earlier in the shipping term, if you tend to choose EXW, then it won't cost you any money from the supplier side, but it will cost you from your own pocket, and you will have to handle it all by your own, and it may cost you higher guys. So, and if you choose to receive your products via FOB, free on board term, then it may cost you $100 from supplier side, and it may cost you around extra $200 to $300 from your own site. So the one that I'm giving example to you guys is, this is DDP term, delivery duty paid, and this term has all the duties and tax paid. So guys, you have to ask for your supplier when shipping your products to Amazon that if they can do DDP or not guys, and usually it will cost you around 20 to 40% of your total product cost guys. So if your total product cost of your product is $600, then it might cost you around $200 to ship your products to Amazon warehouse guys. So you have to keep in mind which shipping term you are going to choose, and asking your supplier how much it will cost you to ship your order from China to your Amazon warehouse guys. So hope you got example what shipping fees is all about.